I am Snehal Zawar of Jalgaon, Maharashtra, studying in ninth class in Puda International School, Jalgaon. I am happy to be a part of the online elocution competition conducted by Gandhi Research Foundation on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. I would like to speak upon the topic, what would Gandhi do today? Considering his view of politics, Gandhi would have privileged civic virtue in election, with the election season getting all the attention. I wonder whether Mahatma Gandhi would have participated in the election had to be alive. One thing is evident today. While Gandhi is hailed as the founding father of Indian Republic and of the architect of democratic politics in modern India, it is not recognized equally well today that can draw valuable lesson of political action and democracy from him. It is no secret to anyone who lives in India and shares time and has passion with Indians from different walks of life that the small caste of politicians and their supporters are not engaged in what Gandhi called an experiment with truth. This is perhaps because politics in contemporary India, as everywhere else in the world, find itself prisoner of the administrative system. In a sense, then, Gandhi's view of political starts when party political ends. What Gandhi understand by politics is the art of organizing society, not the technique of power making and party organizing. That is why Gandhian politics is at the same time anti-populist and anti-ethicist. But what Gandhi were alive, he would have certainly tried to create awareness in the minds of younger generation. Let us agree that he would have a strong intervention in relation with the cases of corruption, sexual harassment, and populist demagoguery. However, this would have been much too for those who are involved in those in politics. Frankly, despite the symbolic devotion which is shown by Gandhi by political leaders, there is a feeling of comfort that a stubborn and critical veteran of democratic action like him is no more around. But at the same time, I feel that Indian politics in the absence of Gandhiji would be more practical, able to revenge and would be powerful with armed forces. Godse was right. Once Gandhi was eliminated, power politics could take over. India had been independent for 73 years. Years based on electoral liberalism in the name of Gandhi. But for then 73 years, politicians have distanced themselves from Gandhi's legacy. Unsurprisingly, once again, Indians would go to the poll without having Mahatma in their minds. Lastly, I would like to end up saying if Gandhiji would be alive, he would give politics a new face and would make India a more prosperous country than it is. Thank you to the Gandhi Research Foundation team and the listeners to let me put forth my view on this topic. Thank you and wish you a very happy Gandhi Jayanti.